Being passionate, our endeavors continue to enable success with our partner to fast-track drug development program to move through the clinical phase for an early commercial launch in our relentless pursuits. We provide solutions and are dynamic to adopt changes needed through the journey with a high degree of focus to support phase-specific needs for GMP supplies of drug substance and drug product. We keep abreast of technological advances in the field and apply to our ongoing programs. We ensure transparency in all of our activities from the stage of chemical development through manufacturing and aim to build long-lasting relationships.
We have expertise in multi-dimensional techniques. Let's say reverse phase chromatography, which is a very widely used technique. We have specialty in doing milligram scale, gram scale or kilogram scale. We have a process to develop. We have a set of art protocols and procedures so that we can fastest screening development of purification process. Nothing but this, we also have the ion exchange purification capabilities. Let's say strong anion exchange or weak anion exchange, which will enable the eco-friendly purification process. We also have size exclusion chromatographic knowledge. So we have library of medias so that we can do fastest development program, so that which will enable the process and the project to move faster, and we can go for the scale up immediately in the manufacturing side.
We have instruments like UPLC TOF, GCMS, LCMS and ICPOS instruments in our laboratory. So we involve in structural isolation of compounds and its impurities, unknown impurity identification and trace level elemental impurities analysis in our laboratory.
We have rich experience and expertise in developing solid oral dosage forms and injectable formulations. In solid orals, we have a range of technologies right from immediate release to extended release, delayed release and even orodispersible technologies. We also have a specialized team experienced in developing injectable formulations, both liquid and lyophilized dosage forms. Our team has knowledge in understanding physiology and biopharmaceutical aspects of the formulation. Therefore, while designing our formulation, we consider both physicochemical and biopharmaceutical properties to ensure that the right product is developed. Our world-class manufacturing units approved by global regulatory authorities can produce dosage forms like tablets, capsules, multi-particulate systems, injections and topical products. Also soft gel formulations, and these facilities can cater products to both US, Europe and even to emerging markets.